So I'm having a look at this heater today. It's small in size, light in weight, very light in weight, so easy to carry from room to room. Can be operated via the included remote control or the onboard controls. Power on, and it goes on to, I had it on eco mode last, so it's on eco mode. You can switch around the modes by pressing the mode button. It gives you low and high. Oh, that's hot. And back to eco. Now you have a timer. Which will give you up to 12 hours timed heat. Or you can just use normal. You can turn the desired temperature up and down. The lowest you can set is 15 degrees Celsius. Now it's also got an oscillating feature, so you can share heat with others in the room. I've actually got it in the kitchen at the moment just to show you how small it is, and in fact you can have it on the worktop when you're preparing meals, etc. You can have it on the floor, on the table, you can have it anywhere really you want. It's very, very versatile. Turn the oscillation off. When you turn power off, it counts down from 30 seconds down to 0 before powering fully off, just to make sure it's cooled properly.